man, this is what we do on the #1 radio station. We introduce what is 100% brand new. And we introduce the artist and the artist. Guess what, Zim? Me brethren is in the building. Listen.
Now ya, turugu putika tunapitika turugu putita kiripa part. Hapa tichi level higher levels tina levels kiripa. Kweru kwa mutare ini ndo ya ikoko. Kuzoka muna makita mushivara. Now ya ikoko doda kuwa na kamushiva. Yeah, big up TFM. Turugu putika tunapitika turugu putita kiripa part. Hapa tichi level higher levels tina levels kiripa part. Kweru kwa mutare ini ndo ya ikoko. Kuzoka muna makitare ini ndo ya ikoko. Kwero mons ulawayo ini ndo ya ikoko. Kwero dine changu chakapatara ndo ya ikoko. Ndoda kuwa na meseka mushivara. Now ya ikoko atidiva no poyasho mobadara. Now ya ikoko atidiva no sarava chitiva no rara. Now ya ikoko no kuponda ne mango mashika maparara. Now ya ikoko hip time she got trench time. Nadi ndo ya ikoko kuzo tambura magitare. Ini ndo ya ikoko US shika UK Nati ndo ya ikoko Orelino changu chaka padara. Go ya Chugu putika Nena pitike iri party after party. Hapa tichi level higher levels tina levels tiripa party. Nati keti style patani ya fantani fashion ingori party after party. Hapa tichi progress jajaba chingo ti bless and TFM tiripa party. Hey Kamutare, Garry, I know ya ikoko. Who's on the Buddha Magita? Templeman, now know ya ikoko. Yeah.
Greetings, jobless.
Yeah, man, greetings Zimbabwe, greetings Templeman, greetings Garry, greetings Stephen. Yeah.
You know, it's always a blessing and honor when you come through, when you pass through Rasta.
Saying, yeah, man. I'm humbled by that, you know.
Please tell me, Jakamila Same Street, how is the hustling? You know, it's always a hustling going through recording music because things are not right. Times are tough.
You know, it's just through the powers of the Most High. You know, where there's a will, there's a way, you know.
Yeah.
Jah already set it, you know. Yeah, so it's like, it's a hustle, but, you know, Jah opened the doors. We are able to record. People love the music. Yeah. So we did it, you know, and let them know that Saturday we there. See it. If you want to see real entertainment, the entertainer. Yeah, Saturday, you know, make a date. Me there.
JR Arena, the man will be performing there. Let me tell you about Jobless. The man has been in the industry for over 20 years. I can confess to that. I have seen him on stage 10, 15 years ago. The man could have mashed up the place. And Rastaman, Janzi Saturday, in my ghetto youth, to tarisire jumba.
For the ghetto, it's, you know, it's always, if you know, entertainer, I'm a balanced artist. But you go to Mangoma, it's more of Mangoma, you see.
Mangungu Dengu.
Yeah, Mangoma, you know, commercial dancehall, you know, hardcore dancehall. You know, here and there, and I drop some conscious here and there.
Juice and rhythm. Mix master.
Ingori entertainer, antenna. Yeah. Soprano antenna. Regandi sake. Juice, regandi sake. USM Chris, Templeman, get away. Bounce havandi goni. Papa mama watomani goni, so the fashion. Toso ni wakana rastoni, havandi goni. Ramangoma, so the fashion. I wanna rastoni, havandi goni. Kana kuno fuza ya bantoni, unenaro kana fuza junior bantoni. 1998 ndina buju bantoni. Likupisa funza mega bantoni. Tony, Black Stony, Brown Stony, Ingori antenna, yeah, soprano antenna, Regandi sake, juice, Regandi sake, USM Chris, Templeman, Garry peace type, Baunte havandi goni, Pamangoma watomani goni, so the fashion. tosonerwa kana rastoni havandigoni amangoma zati fashion haiwana rastoni havandigoni kana kunobvunza yapi bandoni unenharo kana kubvunza junior bandoni 1998 ndina buju bandoni tikupisa bvunza mega bandoni aitoni blackstone brownstone kana ethatoni ndarangorwa mangoma kune star times 1 small x jese silverstone havandigoni pamangoma vatombo ndigoni kuzoti fashion tosonerwa kana rastoni havandigoni pamangoma kuzoti fashion haiwana rastoni havandigoni kuva 1996 takati nomo 36 chamba nesigareta zvingaite mix takazvibata babylon ine matrix nikati futek zvivana triple nikati this year it is this year vamwe vari kugaya was last year try your luck can next year Templeman here get it maunze avandigoni avangoma vatombo ndigoni kuzoti fashion tosonerwa kana rastoni havandigoni amangoma zoti fashion haiwana rastoni havandigoni taratisuva zvari kushaina terera ngoma zata designer vana daina vana laina nana faina vongo hwaina ingori entertainer hooligan entertainer fireman entertainer dancehall champion ngoma kuti chibhidiman ngoma kuti chikeputon havandigoni pamangoma vatombo ndigoni kuzoti fashion tosonerwa kana rastoni
Stop, entertainer, stop. Zimbabwe, are you loving the entertainer? You loving the entertainer? You loving the
entertainer ndavakanyira marbu avanyanyira time pandavamhanyira vamaona zvifarira asi vangandidini zvangu pari pamangoma ndikati besi soprano tena ndikati vana take sure before manyanya mix rova zvipfuva izvi ndati make sure more kurova mangoma eshuwa vana take sure before manyanya mix rova zvipfuva izvi ndati make sure more kurova mangoma eshuwa vamwe muda kuona entertainer ndakasuwa vamwe muda kuona entertainer ndichinhuwa vamwe muda kuona entertainer ndiri muguva ndiri manyuwa haiwa ayo makuwa dektan bochan bochaindan bocha heyan bochan bochaindan bocha heyan bofan bofaindan bofan kuroma mangoma kupisa ndini wacho kani sofa vana take sure before manyanya mix rova zvipfuva izvi ndati make sure more kurova mangoma eshuwa vana take sure before manyanya zvirova zvipfuva izvi ndati make sure more kurova vamwadi kuona entertainer ndiri pastage hanzi entertainer vavharire mukeji hanzi entertainer votiroverawo eji hanzi entertainer vaite isaboteji asika kovakambondivengereika vakambondimakireiko vana c vana b vana d vana e vana g avakani vana take sure before manyanya mix rova zvipfuva izvi ndati make sure stfm kurova igwe mangoma eshuwa vana take sure before manyanya mix rova zvipfuva izvi ndati make sure gerari kurova mangoma eshuwa entertainer ndavakanyira stfm yavanyanyira time pandavamhanyira vamaona zvifarira asi ndiri kuva vanga churu isu tiri vanhu vakuru entertainer namadhipuru gora rina ndavabudisa furu ndikati vana take sure before manyanya mix rova zvipfuva izvi ndati make sure more kurova mangoma eshuwa vana take sure before manyanya kakurova zvipfuva izvi ndati make sure nekuti gerina
Stop. It is the entertainer, the man named Jobless Rastaman. 2016 akunopera. Can we expect anything new? What can we expect the Rastaman in 2016?
Yeah, what I can say, I've been reading my own game.
Yeah.
Me check say people, the nation's discovering me and the people are loving my music. So I don't want to put too much music out there, but I'm going to put out more videos. But nevertheless, I'm going to have new singles, like 2 of the songs that I've just performed, you know, are new. They are not yet on the market.
Yes.
When I take sure,
yeah,
not yet hit the street, you know.
Yeah,
haven't not yet hit the street, you know.
Yeah.
So we got enough things coming, you know. Trust me, you know. So last year, you know, I feel that. How few hear that? Jano.
Thank you very much, God bless. Thank you very much for coming through.
Yeah, man.
For passing through Dancehall Remedy and for celebrating Zim Dancehall Overdrive with us on Saturday. Thank you very much, Rasta man.
Yeah, man, enough respect, you know. Bless up Zimbabwe. I'll get your youth. Bless up Mbarem, Fakos, Fio. Anyway, you there, no man. Selassie, I know we love you. Rastafari.
Selassie.